Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction to Electric Vehicles. Welcome to our certified EV crash course. If you're a car enthusiast or just curious about electric vehicles, EVs, you're in for an electrifying ride. Whether you drive a gas-powered car or eyeing an EV, this course will break down the tech in a way that's clear, engaging, and relevant to every car user. By the end, you'll understand why EVs are revolutionizing the roads. Let's plug in and get started. Section 1. What makes an EV an EV? Electric vehicles are cars powered by electricity, not gasoline. Unlike traditional vehicles with internal combustion engines, EVs use electric motors driven by energy stored in rechargeable batteries. This makes them cleaner, quieter, and often more efficient. The heart of an EV is its battery pack, typically lithium-ion, which stores energy like a giant smartphone battery. The motor converts this energy into motion, spinning the wheels with instant torque for quick acceleration. EVs also feature regenerative braking, which recaptures energy during deceleration to recharge the battery. No tailpipe, no emissions, EVs are eco-friendly and fun to drive. From Tesla's sleek sedans to Nissan's practical Leaf, EVs come in all shapes, offering something for every driver. Section 2. Key components of an EV. Let's dive into the core parts of an EV. The battery pack is the powerhouse, storing electricity and determining range, anywhere from 100 to over 400 miles per charge. The electric motor, or motors, replaces the engine, delivering smooth, instant power. The inverter converts the battery's direct current, DC, to alternating current, AC, for the motor. The onboard charger handles energy intake from charging stations, while the power control unit manages energy flow for efficiency. EVs also have a cooling system to keep the battery at optimal temperatures and a transmission, often a single speed gear to deliver power seamlessly. These components work together like a well-oiled machine, but without the oil, making EVs low maintenance and high performance. Section 3. How EVs are powered and charged. EVs run on electricity stored in their batteries, charged via external power sources. Charging happens at home with a standard outlet, level 1, slow, or a dedicated charger, level 2, faster. Public fast charging stations, DC fast charging, can juice up your EV in 20-60 minutes for most models. The charging process is simple. Plug in, and the onboard charger converts AC from the grid to DC for the battery. Range depends on battery size, driving habits, and conditions. Think 200,300 miles for most modern EVs. Regenerative braking boosts efficiency by recycling energy. With charging networks expanding, range anxiety is fading. Plus, charging at home is like fueling up for pennies compared to gas. EVs make driving convenient and cost-effective for every car user. Section 4. Why EVs are the future. EVs are transforming the automotive world. They're eco-friendly, slashing carbon emissions and reducing air pollution. With fewer moving parts, EVs require less maintenance, no oil changes or exhaust repairs. They're cheaper to run, with electricity costing less than gasoline. Performance is thrilling, with instant torque delivering sports car-like acceleration. Government incentives and falling battery prices make EVs more affordable. From compact hatchbacks to rugged SUVs, there's an EV for every lifestyle. As charging infrastructure grows and battery tech advances, EVs are becoming the smarter choice for drivers who want efficiency, performance, and a cleaner planet. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing our EV crash course. You've learned how electric vehicles work, from batteries to motors, and why they're a game changer for every car user. Ready to take the wheel of an EV? Explore models, test drive, and join the electric revolution. Drive smart, drive electric. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.